Hey guys, just wanted to drop a short video for you today. Um, you delightful people out there. So I just wanted to please hit the subscribe button, notification bell, and press the like button also. So that will populate the video to everyone else that's listening. Okay, so pretty much right now, it's like the stock market was mixed today because there was a CPI report that came out today where the inflation rose up to 2.7, um, which is meaning that price went up. Price of goods, any services or product that we buy, the price went up pretty much. Um, so hopefully that the Federal Reserve will cut the interest rate by maybe 25% or 50% if that's the max. Um, so I'm just gonna get straight to the point because right now some of this stock that I want you to consider right now is the AI stock. AI stock is pretty much that's um the stock of the future because pretty much AI right now is like it's everywhere and anywhere. Every time you call a company, it's the first is the AI that respond. Um, and also if the AI think that they cannot help you, they transfer you to customer service, which is pretty much someone else to help you. Because AI only programmed to do what it can do, but as far as human, um, we will always be more advanced than AI because hey, it's a robot. So, but since AI is being created and it's part of our society now or part of our world now, we have to get used to it or get adjusted to it. So some of the AIs that I want you to consider, you can pause it to write it down or either make a notebook for yourself every time you are giving like um stocks to consider. Just make a list for yourself. You can always go to Google Doc, which is Google.doc, and then you can create, if you have a Google account, you can create a spreadsheet for yourself and then list all the stocks and then put the price. Okay, when I'm going to buy this one, when I'm going to buy that one. So that way and then you do your research. Always Google those stocks for prices for the companies and what the product the company sells and also if the company is making money. So you always want to invest in stock that the company is making money, and you also can see the company um, in the future, maybe 10, 20, 20, 40 years from now, that the company will still be around. So you do want to make sure that the company is solid. Okay. So I do invest in all these stocks that I'm going to show you, which is the NVIDIA. NVIDIA, as you know, it makes chips for our laptop, um, uh, our phones, even the electrical cars that some of you are driving these days. Those chips come from that company. And then AMD also make chips. So you do want to consider AMD. AMD and NVIDIA has been shooting up in price so much. So you do want to consider like start investing on them right now because yeah, some of the prices are going up as far as the price of the stocks. Okay, BBAI also the BBAI, it has warrants. Some of the stocks they have warrants. You always want to buy the warrants because the warrants are where you make your money because the warrants are usually cheaper than the stocks, so you want to buy the warrants. Let's say you spend $500 or $1,000 on those warrants. Sometimes the price of these warrants can shoot up to like 20 to 25%. You'll be making like a good amount of money if you spend $1,000. Let's say the warrant is like $1.50 or $2, and then it shoot up to $2.50. You're making 50 cents of each dollar that you spend. So that's could multiply the amount that you spend on that stocks. And then Airship. Airship is another AI, and also it has warrants. So that's why I put warrants in there. The warrants it's a WS, meaning warrants. That's what it meant. Sound also has warrants. So there's three stocks that have warrants, and I did put them in there so that way you can see them. So that way you can search for the warrants first, and also you can search it on Google, and you can search it on your if you have a stock account, you can go to trading and then put the abbreviation of the warrants in there, and then it will show you the price there also before you buy it. And then with Google, when you Google it, sometimes it may not give you the price of you may not see the price of the warrants. You do want to click at the bottom, click NASDAQ. And then when you click NASDAQ on the next view, it gives you the price of the warrants. Sometimes like early morning, like around 8 o'clock, it will not give it to you. It probably will give you the price like when the stock market is open, like around 9:30, 10 o'clock. That's when it probably will give you the price. And then C3 AI has been around for a number of years. So you do want to start, do your research, and then consider investing in those, because that way, if you buying them right now while they are still not, the prices are not as high. So when the price start to increase into the future, that way you already bought them when they were like the cheapest. So if the stocks you're buying it at $5, and then later on, like maybe 2, 3, 4 years from now, it shoot up to like 15 or $20. So you'll be making at least double or triple or quadruple your money. So you do want to start investing in those, because AI is part of us, part of our society, part of our world right now. Who knew internet would have overtake our world? So AI will overtake our world these days. So you do want to start investing in those things. That way you start making money, and you can use, once you start making money off of them, especially with the warrants. I'm just going to give you a warning that when you see the warrant shoot up to the highest price, cash them out, buy other stocks with them. Don't wait. Don't think, okay, it's probably going to shoot up to the moon, or it's going to shoot up to the sky, and it's going to shoot up to the heavens. No, if you spend $1,000 or $500 and you make $200-300 of those ones, cash them out. Buy other stocks with them. Don't wait. It's yeah, because sometimes um you can cash them out, and then you wait for the warrants to go down, and then you can buy more with them. That way you keep on making money. You let your money working for you that way. So don't, when you buy the warrants, you always want the warrants to make you money, but when you see it makes you money, cash out, and then wait until it goes down, and then buy more. So that way you keep on making money off of it. So I'm going to leave you, if you have any questions or any things that you want me to talk about, you can always drop me a comment below. I will always respond. And also, if you have any questions, if you're just investing or starting investing, I will do video for you as far as beginners concerned. So that way you know where to start and how to start it. That way it makes sense to you. And that way you know where to go, and also you have the support that you need for you to start. So um I'm gonna leave it right now. And then I'll be speaking to you guys soon. So take care.